We plan it, we shoot it, edit and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe.
Hello guys, so today we are going to show up, or we are going to learn how to use the Stream Deck mobile that I use in my current video. A lot of people are asking for about the Stream Deck. How did you connect the sources and scenes, and how was the color of the Stream Deck, and how was the Stream Deck working on OBS? How can I switch between the scenes and sources on OBS? That's Stream Deck mobile. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I was able to set up the Stream Deck mobile on my PC with OBS, connecting to the scenes, sources and applications and everything. Okay, so first thing you have to do is just go ahead and download Stream Deck. Okay, so just go ahead and download Stream Deck from your system, from your web browser and everywhere. Okay, so if you go to your web browser and you type in the Stream Deck, and you can also download from the Stream Deck download or Stream Deck, and you click on search. Okay, it will take you to the website, or you can find the website here on the browser, then you click on it. Okay, so where is Stream Deck? So this is Stream Deck. It will take you to the place. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so this is how it's going to show. So that's it. So if you scroll down, you can see download here. You can see here, you can click on this download, you will get the Stream Deck there. Okay, or if you want to download from your phone to your PC, there's a 3 lines here. You can see, click on the 3 lines. So click on the Stream Deck. There's a Stream Deck here. So this is it, the Stream Deck here. So you click on that for Windows or Mac. You can see this is it, Stream Deck. You can see. So click on the download and it will automatically download. Okay, if you want to download on your phone, so just click on it. Okay, you can see downloading file. That's it. Now you can also download from this side, and also go ahead and download the Stream Deck mobile. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the Stream Deck mobile. If you click on this one, or if you go to the Play Store or App Store, you can also go ahead and download the Stream Deck mobile on your phone. Okay, so that's it. Now on your PC, just download the Stream Deck and also have the account. So go to this side, you can see. So click on this one and add your email account. I think it's needed. Okay, so just add your email account on your PC. That's all. Now after that, go to the marketplace of the Elgato. Okay, was it Elgato? So Elgato marketplace, just go ahead and click on this one, this section here. Okay, so it will take you to this place. You can see, so this is marketplace. Just go ahead and click on plugins here. Okay, so click on plugins and it will take you to the plugin side for you to download whatever you want. So now OBS Studio, click on that. So if you click on OBS Studio and you click on get, it's going to install automatically on your Stream Deck. If you have installed the Stream Deck on your PC, and it will generate, or it will install the OBS Studio automatically on the Stream Deck without third-party install. Okay, so that's it. You will not need to install that plugin, but it will show up here on the Stream Deck. It will show up here, or if you click on this one here, this button here, it will show up that it is downloading from your website. Okay, it will automatically install on your Stream Deck. So that's it. After installing the Stream Deck, downloading the OBS plugin, now connect both PC and the phone into the same network, either using the USB cable. You can also use USB cable to connect them by using the USB tethering. I think I have to do a video on that. Okay, USB tethering to connect both of them so that you can get smooth transition. Okay, the smooth transition. Now let's connect through our Wi-Fi. Now let's say we are using a Wi-Fi on the church. Let's say the MTN router. This is on right now. The PC is connected to this router, and also this PC is also connected. So we are on the same network. Okay, we are on the same network. Now that's it, we are good to go. So after installing the Stream Deck, this is what you're going to see. Okay, now if you want to connect to your PC, or if you want to connect to your mobile phone, you need to go to the Stream Deck here, Stream Deck mobile, and add the Stream Deck device to scan. Okay, you can do that process, or very simple, go to your phone, click on the Stream Deck. If you're new to Stream Deck, this is what you're going to see. Okay, I don't know what you're going to see, but just click on continue, and you see if your internet is the same on the both side of the devices, you can see the desktop name here. That's the name of the PC on here. So if you click on it, you can also click on add computer, then you click on Stream Deck mobile here, and you go to add mobile device. That's confusing. Okay, so let me show you the simple way. If you go to your phone and your same network, you will see the desktop name here. Okay, click on your desktop name. Okay, so click on your desktop name. You can see you have a code here. That means there's a code here, there's a code here. So you have to trust your PC or you trust your device, mobile device. That's simple, okay? Just click on trust on your system and it automatically bring out this. Now you have this kind of bunch of buttons here, okay? The reason why there's a lock on it, the Stream Deck is not free, okay? The Stream Deck is not free. If you want to have the access to this kind of buttons or this kind of all the buttons here on the screen, go to Stream Deck Pro, then buy it and you can also use all the buttons on it, okay? Now the free version, you will able to have access to only 6 buttons on screen, but you can also create sessions, another sessions up to 10, okay? So that's very simple. If you're not having enough money, you can also use this one. Now let me remove this buttons here. So this one I'm not going to use it, it's locked, okay? So let's go to settings and go to layout, and also after layout go to mini, okay? So mini 3x2, you can see it's on the screen, 3x2. Then come back, then go to orientation. Orientation means if you turn your phone like this, the buttons will also come down. So if you want flex, or if you want fixed, or if you want dynamic, I always like dynamic because if I turn my phone, so if I turn my phone like this, or I put my phone on rotation, okay, now if I do this, the button should also come to this. So dynamic is okay. Now after that, you can see there's already buttons here that this can control the volume and everything, okay? I don't need this. I want to create scenes for mine. You will learn more on this, okay? So that's it. Okay, so let's delete this buttons here, okay? So let's delete them. Just click on first button, either delete, or you go to this button and go to this one and delete. So click, delete, click and delete, click, then you delete. I think that's very simple, okay? Click and delete. Now this is what we have. We have 2 sessions here, so let's go to the next session. That's click on this one. I want to delete all this kind of links and everything, okay? I will show you in the next video how all this works, the apps and everything, okay? So click on that, emoji and everything. So that's it. I have 2 sessions. Let me delete this session here. I will show you the reason why you have 2 sessions. But if you install it and set up a connect, you get 2 sessions, okay? So you want to create next session. So that means these 2 sessions have 6 buttons. That means we have 12 buttons. You can also create next button for you to get another 6 button, add up to, let's say 6 3, that's 18, right? So you get 8 buttons. You can also create another session up to 10, so you will get 60 buttons, okay? So that's it. Now you have 3 sessions here. If you click on the plus sign, you get another session, okay? If you want to go to the next session, you can click on this one. You can see you have this here. You can see that here. Next session, if you show up, if we are in session 4, we are in session 3, 4, I don't know. So that's it. Let's go to the first session, okay? And the first session, we are going to connect all the OBS scenes to your Stream Deck. Now, first, you can see in my previous videos and the trailer and everything I posted, my background of my buttons have blue background. Let me show you how I did that blue background, okay? I use my phone to create this kind of square image, okay? So I just want to use that one for my background of my buttons, okay? So that means if you create a scene on your Stream Deck, you can, or you create a button, you can add background, or you can add an icon. So I created that image purposely for an icon on Stream Deck, okay? So first, let's go ahead and add first scene from OBS. So if you go to the OBS plugin here, if you have downloaded the OBS plugin from the marketplace, you have it here, okay? So just click on this one and let's go to scene. You can see there's a scene here. Choose scene, drag it here and leave it here, okay? Now this is the icon we are seeing here on the button. I want to click on the button to show up a live and a preview. So if you look at this boxes here, this second button boxes here, you can see first and the second. The second one is preview, the first one is live. So if the thing is live, that means this icon. So if you click on this one, there's icon here. If you click on this one, there's also icon here. So you can also give that kind of image you created. So let's go to my Explorer. Let me go to my for church. I created this. It's a square, so you can square. So ratio 1:1. You can also go ahead and create this image on your Photoshop on your phone, okay? You can use Canva or everything, Pixel Lab and everything. So I created this and used this live and this one. So that's image. Now the next one is preview. So I want to use this one on the second icon. So every button have two icons, so the first one and the second one. So the first one is live, so that means you can also go ahead and choose the image from your file. Okay, so let's click on this arrow. If you don't need this image, you can also click on the plus sign here and use the built-in icons from the Stream Deck. Okay, so built-in icons. Okay, you can also use all these kind of icons, but I don't need it. Okay, so I need a system one. That one I just customize it. Okay, so click on this one and click on set from file. To set from file, I want to use this, so this one. So click on double click and it's on. Okay, so it will also be on the screen. You can see that. So anything you do here will also come here. That's it. Let me show up the lighting. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So this button here also have another image. That means I want to use this button here for preview. So let's go ahead and bring in the preview image. So double tap on it to show up here. If you want to use all these buttons for scenes from OBS, you can copy and paste the first one you did. Okay, so you have this one here, you copy it, Control C, then you go to the next button, Control V, then Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. That means this is scene. Okay, so this is a scene. So let's go to the first one now. Let's see if it will call OBS. Okay, so it's trying to call OBS. Okay, if your system is strong enough, it will also do fast connection. Okay, so after that, let's go ahead and bring in the scene and sources. Okay, so you can see that we have scene here, we have title, we have target. Now if you have a particular name on the scene on OBS, it will show up here on the Stream Deck. Okay, so let's see scene 2. That means I just select scene 2 from OBS. So if you click on the scene, it will show up all the scenes from OBS here. Okay, all the scenes is here. I want to use the first one, that is Minecraft PC 2 receiver. So that's the second PC that I always use here. Okay, Minecraft PC. Click on that. So this is the name on that. Then I want to put the name inside in the middle. Okay, I want to put the name in the middle. So let's see. Let's go to this side and click on this one. It will show up in the middle. That's all. Now your screen will not go off. You can close Stream Deck on your PC. It will not go off. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to this second button. So second button, and okay, so let's go scene. I want to use the second scene, that's Bible. Okay, and I want to use this one.
Keep his scraps on me. I ain't waiting smooth talk. You know where it's how you woke up on me. I will walk off and public on distract me. Woke up on me like that kind of paraffin on the map, and I be jailing, let it fall off. They spacing in the trenches, got a lot of shit to mention. My family, they kind of miss. I'm gonna count my blessing. You just do this as your wagon. My brother caught the sentence. I hope he learned this lesson. You take music as your message. No, life so fucked up since we started. Since you no get nothing for a pocket, niggas.
And this one is testimonies. That's all. So I want to put all this one in the middle. So let me go back to the open prayer, or let's start from Bible. I want to click on this and click on this to the middle. Bible studies to the middle. KCC name to the middle. Okay, so you can do all this thing, customize it. Open prayer, then the next session, the worship in the middle, then this one into the middle. So you can create whatever you want to do with the Stream Deck. Okay, so that's it. Now the testimonies also. Okay, so you can see the testimonies, the name is not showing up here, so you can go up here and customize it. Okay, you can see testy, then you bring the money down. Okay, so that's it. You can also type in here, so testimonies. So let's say testy, then enter monies. Okay, that's it. You can also do this. You can type it here. Okay, you can type it here. That's all. Testimony. So that don't talk about my spellings. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so this is how I did, and how you can see everything is showing up here. So if I click on it, you can see it is on the preview side. If I click on the Bible, it's on the preview side. Micro video, open prayer is on the preview side. But we missed one thing. Let's go back and see. Stream Deck, we missed one thing. Okay, so don't worry. If you click on the first one, then let's go to the target. Okay, so we are having a target here. So there's a target here that we didn't do, either preview or program. Okay, so either preview or program. So let's go ahead and do. You can see that there's a target here. So let's click on that and give out that's program. So anything I click on this one, it should go to program straightforward. I don't need it on the preview side. Okay, next one, go to target program. The next one, go to target, then program. Okay,
That's right.
place it on the program. Okay, so that's it. That means if you put it on the preview side, if you click on it, it will also show up on the preview side. Okay, so let's minimize it or close it. Okay, so let's test it and see. So let's go to this. So in case I'm doing production, I'll put this switcher here. So this is my switcher. Okay, my first session. Okay, so we are done with the, okay, so let me see that. So worship, let me go to Bible. You can see, okay, so Bible, KCC name. So that's it. Let's go to open prayer, video. If I have video there to play, okay, so I didn't add it. So this is why I play videos after church. So Bible studies, that's group studies, KCC name and everything. It's working perfectly. Okay, so this is how you can connect your Stream Deck to your OBS, and it's very simple. If there is the question to ask about this, I can also give you. Now, what is missing here? I don't know what is missing, and that's it. I'm missing something, but I don't know how. I forgot it. I'm going to do it that on the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I think this is very simple.
That's right.